Legumes such as chickpeas and lentils are among the most nutritionally protective plant foods when eaten in their whole, cooked form. They provide a rare combination of plant protein, resistant starch, soluble and insoluble fiber, iron, magnesium, potassium, and a wide range of polyphenol that support gut health, metabolic regulation, and long-term cardiovascular protection. In traditional diets, legumes are slow foods that require soaking, cooking, and chewing, all of which naturally limit intake speed and promote fullness. This makes their transformation into ultra-processed products particularly concerning because it strips away many of the qualities that make legumes so beneficial. The first major shift occurs when legumes are dried aggressively and milled into flours or isolates. Industrial drying and grinding destroy cell walls and resistant starch structures that normally slow digestion. Once this structural integrity is lost, legume carbohydrates are absorbed more rapidly and their blood sugar stabilizing effects are weakened. Although protein content may remain on paper, the physiological response changes. What was once a slow, gut-supportive food begins to behave more like a refined carbohydrate base that can be shaped, puffed, and flavored at will. Extruded legume snacks, such as chickpea chips and lentil crackers, are a prime example. These products are often marketed as healthier alternatives to potato chips, yet they undergo similar high-temperature, high-pressure extrusion processes. Oils are added to create crispness and salt, flavorings, and sometimes sugars are layered on to enhance palatability. The final product is light, crunchy, and easy to overconsume, with calorie density far higher than whole legumes. The chewing resistance and water content that normally limit intake are gone, making portion control difficult despite the plant-based protein label. Flavored protein snacks made from legumes further blur the line between nourishment and ultra-processing. Isolated legume proteins or finely milled flours are combined with binders, emulsifiers, and flavor enhancers to create bars, puffs, or bites. While protein content is emphasized, fiber is often reduced, and additives are used to compensate for lost texture and taste. These products deliver protein quickly but lack the slow digestive benefits of whole legumes, reducing satiety and increasing the likelihood of pairing them with other refined foods. Even hummus, a traditionally simple and nutritious preparation, can shift toward ultra-processed status when produced at industrial scale. Many commercial hummus products include refined oils, preservatives, stabilizers, and acidity regulators to extend shelf life and maintain uniform texture. While still preferable to many snacks, these versions differ significantly from homemade hummus made with chickpeas, olive oil, tahini, and lemon. Additives dilute the fiber-to-fat balance and can increase calorie density while reducing the food's ability to regulate appetite. Instant legume-based soups highlight another structural issue. To make these products dissolve quickly in hot water, legumes are often pre-cooked, dried, and powdered, then combined with starches, flavor enhancers, and high levels of sodium. This creates a food that delivers flavor rapidly, but lacks the physical structure needed for sustained fullness. Sodium levels are often excessive, masking the absence of fresh ingredients and encouraging frequent consumption. The most important warning is the health halo surrounding legumes. Because chickpeas and lentils are strongly associated with longevity, plant-based diets, and gut health, products made from them benefit from automatic trust. This trust can override scrutiny of processing methods and ingredient lists. As a result, legume-based ultra-processed foods may be consumed daily under the assumption they are inherently healthy, even when they function metabolically like other refined snacks. Legumes are uniquely powerful foods when their structure is respected. Once they are fragmented, extruded, flavored, and stabilized, they lose much of what makes them protective and become vehicles for salt, oils, and engineered palatability. The danger is not that legume-based snacks are always harmful, but that they quietly replace whole legumes in the diet while delivering fewer benefits and encouraging higher intake. Without careful awareness, chickpeas and lentils shift from being cornerstones of slow, nourishing meals to fast, ultra-processed products that borrow their reputation but not their full nutritional value.